The AltSeason CoPilot is telling us something this morning that most traders won't want to hear. Here's what I'm seeing on the Daily Action Matrix dashboard for April 25th. 24 holds, 25 partial, 6 alerts, 12 in exit. If we followed the system, we are mostly deployed and mostly in profit right now. But look at the right side of the 30-day chart. The green is shrinking, the red is climbing, and today the system gave us 3 partial exits. That's the bell. What the matrix is saying, the wave is moving sideways. We slowly leaked our way to half our portfolio in action, and now some coins are starting to chop. There were also 2 new holds today. Best to check those charts. Look for the 1, 2, 3 bottom and the break of the down trend line. And there were 0 new alerts. That tells me hot momentum isn't moving during the weekend. Let's watch the partial hold coins to see which way they go. This matches Phantom of the Pit's first rule. Assume you are wrong when placing a trade. Reduce or remove your position unless it proves you correct. That's exactly what the system is doing this morning with 3 partial exits. It's not asking my permission. It's not waiting for me to feel ready. It just reduces, and here's where I have to confess something. When the system says reduce, a lot of times I look at the chart and I make some rationalization. I am biased to being prepared for when, and not if, crypto pumps again. I sometimes override the signal, and afterward I have to take less profit or larger losses because I waited. The system doesn't have that problem. The system just follows the rules like what it's doing today. It takes the new holds without bias. It takes the partial exits with the same emotion. Because if the new alerts stay at 0 and the partial exits keep firing, the next signal may be a return to cash. Yes, indeed. This is the kind of morning where the AltSeason CoPilot earns its keep. 24 holds, 25 partials, 3 partial exits, 0 new alerts. Every signal listed in one place, every morning. The link is in the description and comments below. Money is supposed to work for me, not the other way around. Trade safe and keep those losses small.